In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the background overlay on Squarespace. Whether you're looking to make your website pop or just want a subtle touch to enhance your design, adjusting the background overlay can make a huge difference. Let's dive in and explore how to make these changes in just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to navigate to the section of your Squarespace site where you wish to change the background overlay. Once you've identified the right section, hover your cursor over it. You'll notice a pencil icon, which is your gateway to editing the section. Click on this pencil icon and it will open up the editing options for that specific part of your page. Now that you're in the editing mode, direct your attention to the panel that has appeared on your screen. Here, you'll want to find and click on the tab labeled Background. This tab is your starting point for any background customizations, and it will allow you to make the necessary changes to the overlay. With the background tab open, it's time to adjust the overlay itself. Scroll down to the bottom of this panel and you'll find a slider labeled Overlay Opacity. This slider is a powerful tool that controls how much of the overlay effect you want on your background image. If you prefer a darker overlay for more contrast, drag the slider to the right. This will increase the opacity, giving your image a bolder look. On the other hand, if you want to showcase more of the original image, slide it to the left to decrease the overlay's opacity. This will lighten the overlay effect, revealing more of the background image's natural beauty. Once you've adjusted the overlay to your satisfaction, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is usually located at the top or bottom of the editing panel. Clicking this will ensure that your changes are applied and reflected on your live site. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the background overlay on your Squarespace site. These simple adjustments can make a significant impact on the overall look and feel of your website, helping you to craft a more engaging and visually appealing online presence. Remember, the key to a great design is experimentation. Don't hesitate to play around with different opacity levels until you find the perfect balance for your site. With just a few clicks, you can completely transform the aesthetic of your Squarespace pages, making them as unique and tailored to your style as you wish. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to check out our channel for more Squarespace tips and tricks, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy designing!